Today we're checking out the brand new OPPO A7 Pro Max with a full unboxing and review. It officially launched yesterday, and we're going to find out whether its huge 10,000 mAh class battery and claimed 7-year battery lifespan really make it stand out.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
On the front, the OPPO A7 Pro Max comes with a 6.78-inch 1.5K display featuring ultra-slim bezels and a peak global brightness of 1800 nits. Unlike many phones in this price segment that still rely on standard Full HD panels, this higher-resolution screen delivers sharper details and a more premium visual experience, making everything from daily browsing to gaming look even better. The version we have today is the successful Wave Edition. It features a light blue back panel with a stylish 3D embossed finish that gives the phone a unique appearance. At the top, you'll find a full metal camera module paired with OPPO's signature elegant repair curve design, along with a built-in ambient light. The overall look feels refined and premium. The ambient lighting is also customizable, so you can use it for incoming call alerts or dynamic lighting effects while gaming, adding a fun and personalized touch. Even though this phone packs a massive 10,000 mAh class battery, it weighs just 226 grams and measures only 8.57 mm thick. That means it still feels surprisingly slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold throughout the day. Durability is another major highlight. The OPPO A7 Pro Max comes with IP69K rated water and dust resistance and features a super drop-resistant crystal steel frame. Since IP69K is among the highest protection standards currently available for consumer smartphones, the device can handle water exposure with ease, and you can continue using it immediately afterwards. Accidental drops are also far less of a concern thanks to its strong and rugged construction. Battery life is where this phone really shines. It houses a long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery and is the industry's first smartphone to combine this battery capacity with a claimed 7-year battery lifespan. According to OPPO, 1 hour of video playback uses only around 4% of the battery, while an hour of gaming consumes just about 5%. Even after years of use, the battery is designed to remain reliable, giving users long-term peace of mind. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, it has more than enough power to comfortably handle an entire day of heavy use. Charging is equally impressive. The A7 Pro Max supports 80-watt supercharge for fast top-ups, along with 27-watt reverse charging, allowing it to recharge accessories like wireless earbuds and other portable devices whenever needed. In the end, the OPPO A7 Pro Max isn't just a smartphone built to eliminate battery anxiety. It can also double as a convenient power bank whenever you're on the go.
Another major highlight of the OPPO A7 Pro Max is that it's the first smartphone in the industry to earn both the China Quality Certification Center Gold Label Durability Certificate and the Gold Label Level 1 Energy Efficiency Certificate. With these dual Gold Label certifications, the phone clearly demonstrates its strong overall quality and value. Moving on to the cameras, the OPPO A7 Pro Max is equipped with 50-megapixel sensors on both the front and the rear. The main rear camera offers high-resolution image capture and supports OIS optical image stabilization, helping produce steady shots with natural and accurate colors. Whether you're taking everyday photos or capturing special moments, the camera is more than capable and lives up to its strong imaging reputation. Beyond the cameras, the A7 Pro Max also comes with a well-rounded feature set. It supports enhanced weak network communication, NFC, and infrared remote control, and a 300% ultra-loud volume mode, making it a very complete smartphone for daily use. Now let's talk about the software experience. The phone runs ColorOS 16, which feels smooth and stable in everyday use. Thanks to its advanced memory compression technology, the system intelligently reorganizes memory resources to keep performance fast and responsive, even when multiple apps are running in the background. One feature I especially want to mention is High Energy Outdoor Mode 2.0. It allows you to pin up to 4 frequently used apps, including the phone app, navigation, and food delivery platforms, making it easy to switch between them with quick touch controls. It's designed to perform reliably in challenging outdoor conditions, whether you're dealing with rain, dust, debris, or even wearing gloves, making it especially useful for people who work outside. The phone also includes an AI-powered protection feature. During phone calls, its AI system can automatically detect AI-generated voices, identify suspicious or fraudulent conversations, and immediately display a warning. It also supports real-time AI face swap detection and hereditary susceptibility recognition. These intelligent safety features are particularly helpful for older users, providing an extra layer of protection against scams. Overall, the OPPO A7 Pro Max may not be a phone that tries to impress with flashy features alone, but it stands out in its own way. As the industry's first smartphone to combine a 7-year long-life battery with a 10,000 mAh class capacity, it continues the OPPO A series tradition of delivering exceptional durability and dependable long-term performance. To make ownership even more reassuring, the phone also includes a 1-year battery health booster and a 2-year sleep frequency booster, helping maintain long-term reliability while lowering the overall cost of ownership. This gives everyday users access to a smartphone that's built to last, and I believe that's exactly what makes the OPPO A series so meaningful. On top of that, customers who purchase the A7 Pro Max during its first sale will also receive a free pair of long-range headphones worth 299 yuan, making the launch offer even more attractive. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the full in-depth review. Bye.